Hey, my name is Charlotte. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Avanti Stove Range Oven Bake Element Part #Z-10110533. The Avanti Stove Range Oven Bake Element Part #Z-10110533 is a replacement part for Avanti ovens. It is a heating element that is used to bake food in the oven. The element is made of high-quality metal and is designed to provide even heat distribution throughout the oven cavity. It has a wattage rating of 2,400 watts and operates at 240 volts. The element has 2 mounting holes and 2 terminals for easy installation. This bake element is an OEM, original equipment manufacturer, part that has been designed to fit specific Avanti models. It replaces PA. This part fixes the following symptoms. This bake element is designed to replace a faulty or damaged bake element in an Avanti stove range oven. It can fix symptoms such as the oven not heating, the oven not reaching the desired temperature, or uneven baking. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the oven door and any screws that may be holding the bake element in place. 3. Carefully remove the bake element from its mounting bracket and disconnect any wires that may be attached to it. 4. Place the new bake element into its mounting bracket and reconnect any wires that were disconnected earlier. 5. Secure the bake element with any screws that were removed earlier, if applicable. 6. Replace the oven door and plug in the power cord to the wall outlet. 7. Turn on your oven and test you. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.